Okay, so let's make a new video. I was thinking we should make a new video.
About what?
I don't know, we could do some tricks on the skateboard or something.
What?
What was that?
Wait.
Maybe it's like an animal or something.
You check it out. Daniel, go. Alright. We shouldn't follow him.
Yeah. So, like, stuff on...
Cool face.
So hasn't Daniel been gone for a long time?
Did you go inside?
I don't know.
No.
I think he's still outside.
That was so creepy.
No, he should be fine. Come on.
Why is the gate open? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go!
Oh my god! 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 Oh.
You guys okay?
Oh my god.
They're screaming. What is it?
Oh my god.
Who did?
I don't know.
Brandon! Brandon, come here.
God. What's he talking about? So we're gonna use them?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, how did this work?
Which one? Oh, that's my dad's. It doesn't work anymore.
Sure?
Yeah. But there's this one. This one's pretty good. Alright. Well, I suggest we get inside and just like barricade ourselves in there.
Alright, fine.
Alright?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, so it's just...
No, it's air pressure.
It's a little dark in here, but... Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs.
She has no energy left, and so it's fine.
Alright, so let's try upstairs. What was it? What was it?
Should we check this room?
Whoa! What? We got some light. So, we can try to find the power generator. I
don't see anything.
Oh!
That's it?
Alright. Is everything clear?
Yeah. Can't find anything.
You alright? Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, Arthur?
Oh, wait a second. Alright.
You got the power?
Let's go. Here's my other
Go. Go. Go.
So scared.
Close that door.
Wait, I think I
Help! Come on! Why are you still recording?
Oh my god! We got get back, get back!
Should really try to get in here soon.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yo, we need to. What happened to the light?
I got a light here.
Yo,
Ham.
come on, hurry up.
Torch or something?
Hurry up, hurry up. Alright, thank you. Alright. We're heading down, right?
Alright. Forward.
Alright. You guys ready?
Go!
We need a light. We need the light.
Go light.
Someone find the switch.
Come on. Barricade the area. Barricade the
Where
area.
is it? Where's the switch?
Where's Nicole?
Where's the lights?
Yo, what happened to Nicole?
Nicole! Where is she?
What? Barricade the area for now. Barricade the area. Come on.
If she's back there, we can't go.
We can't do anything. Just keep. Come on. We need to see a light on this.
Nicole!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Where were you?
What happened? Alright, well, we have to find the switch, okay?
Alright, but for now, just keep it barricade.
Just keep.
Alright, so we have.
Guys!
But,
They just.
jeez.
I got bitten.
What are we gonna do?
I can't stay here. I gotta leave.
Guys.
There's nothing else we could do. We have to barricade the area. Now Cameron's gonna be part of it.
Barricade.
We have to. Daniel, help me out here. We have to barricade this area.
Okay.
Hurry up. Just find any lead. Maybe there's something over there. Check over